Let's take a look at BookShare. It's a free website and mobile app that provides read-along style audiobooks for free to students with print disabilities. We're going to look at a student dashboard. When the student logs in, this is what they see, and then they can scroll down to see the books that have been assigned to them. Minors have to have their books assigned to them unless they've gotten parent permission and have a personal account. I'm going to click Read Now on this Diary of a Wimpy Kid book so you can see what it looks like for the student. They have navigation here where they can choose different chapters. They can also just page right or left to navigate the book. They can click play to have it read to them. And then they can also adjust some settings, like how the text looks on the page, the color contrast, the audio. There are different voices to choose from. BookShare is free for districts as well. They can create an account and add teachers and related service providers as sponsors who can then add students who qualify. A print disability, the qualifications for that, you can find more information on BookShare's website, but essentially if you have a student with a visual impairment or with a reading disability, or a physical disability that impedes them from holding or accessing books, they qualify for BookShare.